Hey everybody, Real Estate Investor Sav, hashtag Canadian Flips Detroit, out here in Jefferson-Chalmers. I'm so stoked right now because this is our new project. So we just closed on this beautiful house in the Jefferson-Chalmers area. Look at that house. Oh my God. Wait till you see inside, but holy smokes. You know, all brick home, Victorian style. It looks like a two-family home. Doesn't it look like a two-family home? That's what it looks like to me, but it's not. It's a single family. We just closed this 2 days ago and we're about to start work. I want to show you guys what it looks like inside and, you know, come follow us. So if you want to see how I'm going to make about 30 grand on this project, then this is the place to come follow us. You know, subscribe on the channel. And if you want to talk about Detroit investing, give me a shout, DM me on any one of my social media channels. Real Estate Investor Sav, all one word, Real Estate Investor Sav, and we can set it up. All right, until then, follow us on this latest project that we have going on. All right, see you guys around.